Hi, I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're watching the Quantamize Education Series, where we talk about our stocks, options, ETFs, and crypto strategies, and how you can properly implement them to help your portfolio returns. Let's get started now. In this video, we're going to look at a put spread collar and how you can implement it in your online brokerage account. I'm going to focus on a put spread collar we put out yesterday on the SPDR S&P Homebuilders ETF, ticker XHB. Now let's walk through this. You're buying a 40 put and you're selling a 37 put. And you're selling that 42 call and buying that 45 call to help manage the cost of that put spread. Think of this as a leverage put spread, where you're levering into the fact that you believe the stock, or in this case, the ETF, is going to drop. Now let's go to our TD Ameritrade account and set everything up. As you can see, I've got $25 in there, so it's not really much I can do. Let's put together a custom trade. Ticker is going to be XHB. And boom, it's populated. Like I've done in the other videos, I like to set up the legs in such a way that it makes it much easier for me to follow. So we're going to have 4 legs. So the first thing we're doing is buy to open, buy to close, buy to close, buy to open. Now let's go through this. Expiration is July 19, so let's set this up. So 1 by 1 by 1, 1 by 1, just make this easy. Boom, 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 boom. Oops, I made a mistake there, but that's all right. It's gonna be sell to open. We're gonna buy the 40 put and sell the 37 put. And we're going to sell the 42 call and buying the 45 call. Okay, great. So now we have everything set up. We're buying the 40 put. We're selling the 37 put. We're selling the 42 call, and we're buying a 45 call. And this is a put spread collar. Looks like this is going to be a debit trade, somewhere between 13 and 25 cents today. Mid-range is 19. Let's go back to the trade, see what we thought it was when we published it yesterday. Roughly 8 cents, so it's kind of in line with what we thought. I'm just going to set it to the mid-range just for this demo. Let's review the order. Total cost is 19 bucks to put on a 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. With a levered play on a drop on XHB. This is a put spread collar on SPDR Homebuilders ETF, ticker XHB. Thanks for watching this educational video. I really hope it was helpful and informative. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below. Shoot us a tweet, send us an email, let us know what you think. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you were just watching a Quantamize educational video.